Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle if you're new here, and if you're not, thanks so much for coming back and hanging out with me today. So today I'm doing a Bath & Body Works haul of the new stuff they have out for late summer and their fall tote that I picked up that is out right now. I'm hoping to get this video out pretty soon, so they might still have some totes available in store, but we'll see because it always takes me forever to edit. I've been doing a lot of semi-annual sale hauls that ended July 5th, but some stores still have things remaining, so I've been picking up a few things at the tail end. So I think I have 4 bags here that I'm going to share of more current stuff that's been out and different kinds of promotions they've been having lately that I just could not resist, and I'm just so excited to share with you what's in the tote bag. I still have some hauls from the semi-annual sale that I haven't shared yet, so let me know if you still want to see them even though it's up late. I think I'm still going to do them anyway. It's going to be super long and really intense because if you saw the thumbnail for my last semi-annual sale haul, I was just surrounded by bags on the floor and I didn't even get to haul them all in that video, so there's still a lot to do. Anyways, let's get started. So I'm filming this on the 14th of July, and so right now there's the $12.95 candle sale. So I finally picked up one of the ones from the Polaroid collection with the cute white lids. I got Orange Cream Soda Summer Moment, they're calling it, and I wanted to compare it to Orange Creamsicle from last year, which I reviewed on my Instagram dedicated to Bath & Body Works and candles and wax at WayWickedWax. You should follow me there because I talk about my videos and hauls and other stuff. I do like that behind the scenes. So the notes on this are bright tangerine, effervescent zest, and creamy iced vanilla. Pretty much the same notes as the one from last year, but a slightly different name. So this one just smelled really good to me, and I picked this over cherry snow cone, which I also really wanted, but that one kind of smells like cherry cough syrup to me. I don't know, I can't decide if I like it or not, but this one I always liked on cold sniff, so I picked that one up. And then this ended up being $3.50. It was 75% off. I got the Sweet Summer Kiss Fine Fragrance Mist. I don't have the notes on this because they don't have them on here, but this has been out for a while and it finally went 75% off. And it's just a sweet, almost reminds me of like strawberries, sugary, sort of perfumey, girly scent. So I don't know, I was in a mood to pick these up yesterday. They had a few items left from the 75% off table. Actually quite a lot at this one store because this is my like favorite store to go to that has a lot of good sale stuff. And then I picked up the In the Sun Sea Salt Hair Mist with coconut oil, and this ended up being $4.12 instead of $16.50, also 75% off. I don't know why, I just decided to try the sea salt hair mist. I'm going to the beach a lot and we all love those beachy waves. There's also a coupon right now for a free item up to a $14 value with a $10 purchase, and I've been eyeing these unicorn horn bath fizzies like crazy. There's a pink and a blue one, and online it says cotton candy, but on here it doesn't actually say what brand they are. Or what scent they are, and these are the Smith & Vandiver Naturals brand. They're not actually Bath & Body Works brand, but they smell so good. I don't think I could ever bring myself to use this. It's so cute. I want to go back and get another candle, another free item, and get the pink one. I don't know, I just want to display them. They're so cute. And then the White Barn collection that just came out with the gorgeous marble lids. That's super minimalistic. These retail for $26.50 instead of $24.50. These are part of the $12.95. So I got white caramel cold brew. I love coffee. I'm not super huge on straight coffee scents, but this one's more on the caramel side. Very sweet, I like it. The notes are cold brew coffee, sweet cream, and buttery caramel, so it's a nice balance. It's not just straight in your face coffee. And then for the tote, it came with a bunch of fall items. I want to say there's 7 things. The candle it came with was sweet cinnamon pumpkin. At the store I went to, they actually let me swap out a lot of the scents I didn't like because I was excited for fall stuff, sort of. I'm not in a fall mood, but I was excited for the tote because it's a good value. You get it for $30 and the retail value is like $108.75 or something. So you can get it for $30 with the $30 purchase. But the only 2 items I kept were these 2, and the rest they let me swap out. So I mean, they have their 100% satisfaction guarantee. The manager was there. She was like, oh, I did the same thing. So I ended up getting things I really liked at a really good price instead of scents I didn't like. Like it was all sweet cinnamon pumpkin, like marshmallow pumpkin latte, like things I don't really like all my least favorite scents. So I kept the Champagne Apple and Honey 24-Hour Moisture Ultra Shea Body Creams. This one smelled really good. The notes are Pink Lady Apple, Sparkling Champagne, Jasmine Honey, Boysenberry Nectar, and Autumn Woods, and I've never tried this one. The packaging is really cute, so I kept that one. So it came with a full-size body cream and then the shower gel and warm vanilla sugar, which I love, and it's not really fall because they always have this, but I'm not complaining. I love that scent. So those are the only 2 original things I kept. So sorry you're not getting a haul of the actual tote, but you'll see my picks, my make your own tote, which I'm quite proud of. Also, this is the tote bag itself. I think it's super adorable. You could use it as a beach bag, or it's kind of fall-ish too with like the leather straps. And it zips up, which is nice. I hate open top tote bags, because then your stuff could just spill. This could be good for like a night bag, like a getaway bag, a book bag. I think I'm gonna bring this to the office and see if my laptop fits in it and my notebooks and all that stuff. So it's just super cute and I love it so much. They've been nailing it with the tote bags for me lately. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. I didn't even see it said VIP on there. That's adorable. Oh, and then there's even a little pocket on the inside here. So the girl at the counter just put all the stuff I picked out back in here. Oh boy. So it came with a hand soap and I think sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and I swapped it for toasted s'mores, which just came out in the kind of late summer, early fall soap collection. I love s'mores. I've been dying to see what this would be like in a hand soap, and I want this candle, but I keep forgetting to pick it up. And the notes are toasted marshmallow, bourbon, vanilla, and cinnamon sprinkles. Then it came with a mini spray. I think originally it was marshmallow pumpkin latte, but I switched it for pretty as a peach. I think this is actually going to be a gift. These tote bags are such a good value too. You could totally just buy them and give the whole thing as a gift or split it up for gifts. The hand cream is marshmallow pumpkin latte, and I feel like I actually own that one. So I got Sea Spray, which is one of the newer ones with the anchors on it. Ocean Fresh is the other name on it, and it didn't smell like much, but I kind of like that. And the hand sanitizer, I got Cotton Candy Bliss because I love this one. I already bought 2 of it. I've been absolutely in love with it. It's so good. I love cotton candy. And I switched out the candle for citrus and sandalwood. I've been smelling this one on cold a million times, and it has like the campy kind of lids, which look pretty wintry, but I don't know. This smells really nice. I'm not usually a huge citrus person, but I'm really enjoying this one on cold. The notes are sparkling lemon, creamy sandalwood, and mandarin zest. Kind of reminds me of almost a clementine sort of scent. All that tote stuff, $30. Not bad. On another day, I finally picked up, I've been eyeing this forever, the Your Magic Cotton Candy Bliss, the foaming mousse hand sanitizer. They retail for $5.50. I had some sort of coupon with the unicorn on it. This smells so good. I feel like the scent lasts a while, and I didn't think I'd like the foaming hand sanitizers, but I actually really do. So they're a little bit bigger, so a lot of people like that so you don't run out as fast. This was 75% off, ended up, I'll just add the prices in later, I guess. I got the Kukui Nut Body Butter. I feel like this kind of smells like chocolate or caramel, and it smells really good. And they're originally $16.50 or $14.50, and they're not that big. So I finally got one of those. Picked up 2 more Cotton Candy Bliss pocket backs. Got the new Boardwalk Vanilla Cone pocket back because I always love that scent and like the vanilla ones. It's a good time to be a vanilla cotton candy lover at Bath & Body Works because they just came out with a lot of new ones. And then I got 3 of the minis from the new summer collection. So out of the 4 new scents, I got 3. So I got Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds, Fine Fragrance Mist Mini. I also got the full size. I'm obsessed with this scent. It's so good. Cotton candy, sugary goodness. Got Sunset Guava Colada. Nice kind of musky, warm, fruity one. This might be a gift, I'm not sure. And then Picnic Summer Daisies, which is a light floral. Reminded me vaguely of Bright Autumn Blooms, not really, but these are really cute. At first I thought this size was such a ripoff, but 3 for $12.50. They're normally $4.50 each. I don't know, I just wanted to try the new ones out. Oh, I forgot about this. I found this for 75% off. It's a really pretty wallflower plug-in with the roses. I don't even remember this one coming out, but it's a light up one. So I never get the decorative ones, but they're 75% off and so pretty. So I snagged that. That was a steal. So I guess this is still kind of an SAS haul. Whoops. And then this was also 75% off and a light up. Look at this gorgeous parrot. So pretty. If I had an outlet that was visible in my bathroom I could use these for, this would match perfectly, but I don't because it's hidden behind my washing machine, the one that's actually the right side up. And then this was when the new collection was $7 each. I'd been dying to get this one. I almost did the buy 3 get 3 free, but I knew they'd probably go on a better deal, so I waited for $7 each, and I got the Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds Ultra Shea Body Cream 24-Hour Moisture. The notes are whipped vanilla, marshmallow meringue, white magnolia, and fluffy sandalwood, and it's actually heavenly if you love these vanilla cotton candy, super sugary scents. Like I said, I got the full-size fragrance mist and the body lotion as well, which I already used one time and was delightful, although I feel like this scent is a lot stronger and lasts longer in the body cream. So I never buy a scent in so many forms when it first comes out, but I really liked it. So here we are. I found a Vanilla Bean body cream 75% off. This was 50% off for the longest time, and I really like it. The notes are fluffy vanilla, white orchid, toasted tonka, and whipped cream, another super sweet sugary vanilla scent. So good. So I finally found one, the 75% off, and same thing with the wild strawberry leaf. Got the body lotion 75% off. The notes are garden berry, sparkling citrus, pink peony, and strawberry leaf. Love a good strawberry scent, so that was really nice. What on earth is in here? It's heavy. What did I get? Oh, I got 2 wallflower refills. I think this was the day they were $3 each. 2 more in linen and lavender. My one in the kitchen was this, and it was really strong and I really liked it, but it's gone now and I feel like it kind of died a couple weeks ago, so I got 2 more. And the color's so pretty. It's like a deep purpley blue. The notes are crisp linen, lavender, sea salt, and burst of fresh air. This store is so much left and 75% off. So many things that weren't there the last time I went there. Got a wallflower tester candle in sunwash petals. I feel like it's possible I got this one already. But the notes are plumeria, tiare flowers, and sandalwood. She said she had just found a whole bunch more of these in the back. It's like they knew I was coming. And then I got pink prosecco, which I never bought in a full size, but I kind of liked, but not enough to get a full one. So the notes are apple prosecco and pear. I think that's everything, surprisingly, I was going to do in this haul, I hope. I think. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing some new stuff as well as some SAS. I still have more SAS. Let me know how you feel about that. Probably gonna do it, but it's gonna be like an endeavor. So I'm waiting till I have a lot of energy, which I've not had lately. But thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you liked it. Subscribe to join our GlamBAM fam and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I have 2 different Instagrams you should follow me on. LOL86 is my personal and beauty account, and Way Wicked Wax is for Bath and Body Works and candles, etc. Leave me a comment down below. I always love to chat with you guys. Let me know what of the new stuff you like, or if you tried anything I picked up for the SAS stuff. Always love to hear from you guys, and I will see you in my next video. 3, 2, 1, BAM!